This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
Oh, Salomondrin asks.
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Alejandro wants to know most embarrassing car experience while already on YouTube.
All right. While already on YouTube, I'm guessing that this is a post YouTube. Maybe it's. Oh, geez. I see. I don't rank any experiences as embarrassing because I feel like every experience can be embarrassing in some respect.
Sure. Yeah.
But I'm not sure. Maybe it could be like some failure of like a build of mine. Maybe you know what? When I'm wrong on a build, or when I use like wrong parts or do something incorrectly, that tends to be embarrassing for me just because I'm like I should have known better. I could have Googled this.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what specifically there is because, as we know, I'm never wrong. But
Yeah. Me either.
it's weird, right?
Yeah, it's really weird.
Dude. I mean, what's it like for other people?
I don't know.
It's they're constantly wrong, but we're never wrong. It never. Yeah. I
don't know, man.
But I think probably. Geez, I mean, I'm really drawing a blank here. Maybe when I was, you know what? I'll tell you. When I was doing the clutch on my Lamborghini, and I was using the factory service manual, or what I thought was a factory service manual on the internet, and it said to tighten to 51 foot-pounds, and I put everything on, and then I tightened it, and then it just snapped.
Yep.
It just snapped, and I had to redo everything. And basically, people were like, "You can't do that at 51 foot-pounds." Like, well, clearly you can't. But I'm saying that that's what it said.
I love how they leave comments like that as if they're like helping you as it's happening.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You should try to get another bolt. Like, oh, thanks. I did this a week ago.
What you should have done is
What you should have done. Well, thank you very much, Alejandro. Wish you luck on your YouTube channel, and hopefully we can do something sometime.
Yeah, hopefully your YouTube channel becomes successful. That'd be cool, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, we all have dreams.